Delivering innovation for over 34 years and backed by employees worldwide, Nordson Asymtek's team of experts are ready to support your next adventure.
Welcome to SMT Wertheim here at Productronica. I'm joined by Andreas Stemmler, who is the head of the technical department. Nice to see you again, Andreas.
Hello, Trevor. Nice to meet you.
Yeah. So, we had a look initially at the Quattro Peak system at SMT in Nuremberg. This is where you introduced a completely new concept for the direction for airflow within the oven. Can you just recap for our viewers how that technology works?
Yeah, it's a new concept, a new airflow. Our simulation showed that we can save a lot of energy when we optimize the airflow of the reflow concepts, and this is a new innovation.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And so the way it works is essentially that instead of the air coming down on the horizontal plane, it's coming on the vertical plane and enveloping the board. Is that correct?
Correct. We minimize the way of the airflow, and so minimized way means we have minimized cost for the energy and minimized the energy.
Okay. So it reduces the energy cost because it's got a reduced path that the airflow has to do, and it can go in a much smaller loop, basically.
Exactly. So the air has a good flow, and this means we have a reduction of around about 40% of the energy costs at the fan units.
Wow. So that's a substantial reduction. So that's 40% in energy. That I assume also translates to a reduction in the amount of nitrogen you would use in the oven.
Yeah, it means also a better flow of the air. We don't have a lot of change of the air between the zones, and so the nitrogen level plays stable inside of the zone, and this means you need less nitrogen.
Okay. So I believe also we have at the show we have also some improvements you've made to your vacuum soldering. Can you tell us a little bit about what you did there?
We have a neat transport inside of our vacuum systems. We have some customers which have very heavy boards, so we have a heavy-duty transport in our vacuum system. We have for the usual customer a normal transport, and we have a high-temperature transport for customer, which soldering with high temperature around about 350 degrees.
Right. Okay. And you've managed to reduce the cycle time, so therefore it's a much faster throughput on the oven.
Yeah, we reduced the cycle time inside of the vacuum systems. With the new software of our vacuum system, we can get cycle times around about 30-35 seconds.
Wow.
And this is nearly a usual reflow oven.
Yeah, that's very fast. So that's quite considerable. So that's great. So I think that's two new things here we've looked at SMT Wertheim. Andreas, I want to thank you very much for joining us, and we look forward to looking for more innovations next year.